Hey friends, we're out in the garage and it's time to change out these old bulbs for a floodlight version. Super plug and play. Let me show you how they work. So this version is the Editing LED garage light. This is a 2-pack. And as you can see, it has 6 of these throw LEDs. You can see out of the packaging, it's basically just the little screw bulb like you'd see on a normal light bulb. Now all these fins that have the LED lights on them are all folded up, but we can actually manipulate those in all sorts of different directions. Let's go ahead and swap this out. Be careful with this. Obviously you're working with live electricity, so I have things turned off. Obviously, don't stick your fingers up in that socket. Okay, I've moved the fins down. Again, super easy to manipulate. And then we're just going to spin this up into place here in that socket. And then at this point, we can kind of manipulate these fins over and around. I like to have them just up a little bit so they can kind of throw light in as many directions as possible. And then check this out. We do have another little LED that goes straight down. And wow, that is really bright. Honestly, it's hard to look at with your bare eyes. Just throws so much more light down here in this garage space. I can see so much better. Definitely a big thumbs up from us. If you're interested in grabbing some of these LED lights for yourself, you can find them right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Stay tuned, we do a ton of these little DIY tutorial videos, review videos to help make your life just a little easier. See you again on the next one.